In this video, I will show you how to make the most amount of money when selling your home. Unfortunately, some home sellers make this mistake. They don't set their asking price right. There are 4 things you should know to avoid this, and I am going to share them with you today. Hey, I am Gamini from Gamini Homes, where I help with real estate and personal finance tips just like this. So if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel. Setting your asking price is one of the most important ways to attract more buyers. Your asking price of the home is often the first impression. When you price it right, you attract more buyers, and obviously it creates the auction effect. We all know what is going to happen when the demand is high, right? You get multiple offers. That's right. Find the right price need expertise. Unfortunately, many home sellers rely on those online guesstimates to value their homes. Yet those estimates do not consider things like your home's improvement, location, or beautiful views which apart from others. There are 4 things you should know when it comes to pricing. Number 1, pricing home is seller's decision. Number 2, most home sellers rely on online guesstimates to tell them what their home is worth for. Number 3, how much a home will sell for is a market decision. Number 4, home sellers need an agent that can guide them through a home pricing strategy so they can attract more buyers and make the most amount of money when it sells. That guidance includes knowledge of your home, knowledge of the market, pricing strategies, and the ability to select recent similar sales to substantiate the value correctly. Getting the price you want and need for a home is not as easy as pricing strategies. So therefore, it should not be taken lightly. Pricing too high can cost home sellers just as much as pricing too low. Take a look at what homes in your neighborhood have sold for is only a small part of the process, and on its own is not enough. Here I'll be uploading more real estate and personal finance tips every week. So like this video if you find helpful, and subscribe to stay tuned for more tips.